What's up guys, today I'll show you how to trim, cut and split videos like a pro using the InShot app. If your videos look too long, messy or boring, this simple editing trick will make your content cleaner, smoother and more professional. First, open the InShot app and import your video. Now, tap on the clip you want to add it. To trim the video, drag the white edges from the beginning or the end. This helps removes unwanted parts and keep only the important content. Next is the cut feature. Move the playhead exactly where you want to edit the video, then tap on pre-cut. Inside pre-cut, choose the cut option to remove unnecessary sections quickly and make your video look more polished. Now let's talk about the split feature again. Place the playhead on the exact moment where you want to clip to separate. Open pre-cut and tap split. This will divide your video to different parts so you can edit each section separately. These small editing tricks can completely change the quality of your video and make them more engagement for viewers. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tag for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.